Hey, welcome back to Me Being Cheap. I have been troubleshooting the air conditioner on this 1997 Ford F-150, and I'll show you what I've done so far. I'm going to tell you first, and then I'm going to start it up and show you. So once I start it up, you probably won't be able to hear me talk. So air conditioner quit working last summer, and what makes it very hot to drive this truck is the fact that the windows really don't go down. So the first thing I did was I have one of these little cheap single gauge thing that fills on the low pressure side of the air conditioner, and I took a reading yesterday and it actually showed down in the white area, which meant that it didn't have enough, but oddly enough, to bring it up to pressure I only had to put in about half a can, which didn't really seem accurate. That didn't help. It still didn't blow cold. So I don't know if you can see this or not. Maybe a little bit dark down in there. Let's see if I can show you. I don't think it's going to pick up. Hang on just a second. Try and show you with the stick. Trying to show you the clutch down there for the air conditioner. It's this little thing down here. It's round. It's got 3 round protrusions on it and a little triangle shape. That thing is supposed to be turning. That thing's supposed to be turning when the air conditioner is on, but it's not. So I'm going to start this up and I'll show you that it's not turning, and I'll also show you what the air conditioner is reading pressure wise with this, which may not be accurate because this is only on the low side. And then I will jump the gap using a paper clip. This low pressure, this is actually the connector right here. The sensor's actually back up in there, but I'll demonstrate that. So hang on, let me get this started. I've got it on high and maximum AC and the coldest setting. And you can see down there, maybe not, but that clutch is not turning. Now let's see what this measures with on the air conditioning. It's 70 degrees out. See, it's measuring at 45, which is right at the top end of where it needs to be for 70. Oh wait, I think it's 80 degrees outside. So we're right there in the middle. It's reading at 45, which would indicate that the system has got enough refrigerant. And again, I'm hooked in to the low pressure port. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect this. I have a paper clip. This air is not blowing cold. So we're going to start by replacing the low pressure switch, which is buried up in there.